25 common idioms with meanings and examples.
Kill two birds with one stone. Meaning, to accomplish two things at once. Examples: I killed two birds with one stone by going to the bank and shopping in the same trip. He managed to kill two birds with one stone by cleaning his house and exercising. Let the cat out of the bag. Meaning, to reveal a secret. Examples: She let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party. He accidentally let the cat out of the bag about the promotion. Make a long story short. Meaning, to tell something briefly. Examples: To make a long story short, we got lost and missed the meeting. She made a long story short and summarized the report in a few sentences. Miss the boat. Meaning, to miss an opportunity. Examples: He missed the boat on investing in that company. She realized she missed the boat when tickets sold out. Not playing with a full deck. Meaning, someone who is not mentally sound. Examples: He's not playing with a full deck if he thinks he can do that. She's acting like she's not playing with a full deck. Off the top of my head. Meaning, without thinking too much. Examples: Off the top of my head, I'd say we need more supplies. I can't remember the number off the top of my head. On the ball. Meaning, alert and competent. Examples: She's really on the ball and gets things done quickly. You need to be on the ball to succeed in this job. Once in a blue moon. Meaning, very rarely. Examples: We go out for dinner once in a blue moon. He visits his hometown once in a blue moon. Piece of cake. Meaning, very easy task. Examples: The test was a piece of cake. Fixing the problem was a piece of cake for him. Pull someone's leg. Meaning, to joke or tease someone. Examples: He's just pulling your leg, don't take him seriously. She was pulling my leg about the promotion. Speak of the devil. Meaning, the person we were just talking about appears. Examples: Speak of the devil. Here comes John now. We were just talking about you. Speak of the devil. The ball is in your court. Meaning, it's your decision or responsibility to do something. Examples. I've done my part. Now the ball is in your court. The ball is in your court to decide what we do next. The best of both worlds. Meaning, a situation where you can enjoy the advantages of two different things. Examples. She has the best of both worlds, a great career and a happy family life. Living in the suburbs gives them the best of both worlds. They're close to the city, but enjoy the quiet. The elephant in the room. Meaning, a major problem or issue that everyone is ignoring. Examples. The elephant in the room is the budget deficit we need to address. They kept talking about minor issues and ignored the elephant in the room. Throw in the towel. Meaning, to give up or surrender. Examples. After several failed attempts, he decided to throw in the towel. She's not one to throw in the towel easily. Under the weather. Meaning, not feeling well. Examples. I'm feeling a bit under the weather today. She's been under the weather all week. You can't judge a book by its cover. Meaning, don't judge something based on its appearance. Examples. He looks rough, but you can't judge a book by its cover. The restaurant looks shabby, but you can't judge a book by its cover. A penny for your thoughts. Meaning, asking someone what they are thinking. Examples. You look deep in thought. A penny for your thoughts? She was silent for a long time, so I asked, a penny for your thoughts? Bite the bullet. Meaning, to endure a painful or difficult situation. Examples. I hate going to the dentist, but I'll have to bite the bullet. He decided to bite the bullet and take the job. Break the bank. Meaning, to be very expensive. Examples. We can eat out without breaking the bank. The vacation was fun, but it didn't break the bank. Burn bridges. Meaning, to destroy relationships. Examples. Don't burn bridges with your former employer. He burned his bridges with his old friends. Cost an arm and a leg. Meaning, very expensive. Examples: that car costs an arm and a leg. Her wedding dress cost an arm and a leg. Cry over spilled milk. Meaning, to be upset over something that cannot be changed. Examples: there's no use crying over spilled milk. Let's move on. He always cries over spilled milk instead of finding solutions. Cut corners. Meaning, to do something in the easiest, quickest, or cheapest way. Examples: don't cut corners on safety. He cut corners to finish the project on time. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Meaning, don't risk everything on one plan. Examples: you should diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. She applied to multiple colleges because she didn't want to put all her eggs in one basket.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe us for more videos.